Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna go over this folding flourish and two versions of it. The move is gonna look something like this. And then the other version is gonna look something like this. So the moves are pretty similar, but the moves are going to be in a vertical plane once you pass through the middle, or a horizontal plane. You're gonna grab the hoop with both hands, one on each side of the hoop, and you're just gonna swing the hoop up over to your opposite side. So throughout this move, you're gonna be maintaining the same grip on the hoop, and you're just going to be twisting your arms and your body. So you're just gonna be bringing your hoop up like this. Now what we're going to do is just open up to the front so that the hoop is up in this position right here. So we're here, bring it to the side and up. Now what we're going to do is just bring our hands over to our dominant side. So we're just going to twist our opposite hand so that it is down in this position here. And then you're going to bring the hoop back down. So we're up, gonna open up to the front, twist over to your dominant side, bring your opposite hand down, and bring the hoop back down like this. So you're going to be twisting your torso as you are doing this move, maintaining your grip on the hoop, and just opening your arms up and to the side. So it's gonna look something like this. So that is with the vertical plane. Now we are going to do a horizontal plane as we pass through the middle. Same thing, as we come up to our opposite side, we're gonna open up to the front, but instead of bringing our hands all the way up like this, we're gonna bring our hands around like this. So you can see that instead of extending my arms up to the ceiling, I'm just going to bring them up, and we're going to flatten out that plane. So it's going to look something like this. So once we're passing through the middle, we're just gonna flatten out the hoop so that it's nice and parallel to the ground. Then we're going to extend the hoop out to our dominant side. So we're here, fold in, twist, and bring it down. Twist and bring it down. So what makes this move look a little bit interesting is maintaining this frame of the hoop as you are twisting. So you can see that my body is twisting as I open up to my dominant side, and it's kind of maintaining the circle around my body. So as we are twisting, we're gonna open up and finish on our dominant side. So it's kind of like you take a little bit of a pause, twist and down. As you're twisting your body, you're maintaining that grip on the hoop, and again, keeping that frame around your body. So we're here, up and down. So again, here's the move with the vertical plane. And then here's the move with the horizontal plane. These are just some nice little flourishes to add into your flow and playing around with different kinds of planes. All right, Hoopers, I hope this helped. If you want to see more tutorials like this, be sure to let me know in the comments and consider subscribing to my channel. I have a bunch of tutorials that are already uploaded, and they vary from beginner, intermediate to more advanced moves. So I'm sure you'll find something for you, but if you are looking for a specific move, be sure to get in contact with me and I'll be more than happy to make a tutorial for you. All right, I will see you in the next one. Happy hooping.